Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and what I'm going to show you is a 2008 Dodge Sprinter, which is also a Mercedes Sprinter. They both share the same body, engine, chassis, everything. It's basically a Mercedes Sprinter. It is due for its re-safety inspection, and I can't tell you the exact mileage on it, but I can tell you a roundabout of it. 568,000 kilometers, so it has at least 560,000 kilometers on it. That is a lot of kilometers. And the door's heavy because it is bulletproofed, but considering 560,000 kilometers at least, that seat's in pretty good shape, I think. Lots of rust starting though. Go on that whole bottom side, it's just starting to rust all over. Now this is diesel. And it has a 182 cubic inch, which I think equates to a 3 liter. I don't know. I think it's a 3 liter. Massive air filter. Not in bad shape at all though. This thing probably, it had bright headlights in it. Baby towing mirrors, not proper ones, but yeah. Bulletproof glass, which is actually cracked. You follow that crack up, it goes all the way through. I don't know how that got cracked. So the windows don't open in this thing anymore. Yeah, this is all bulletproof glass. And the back is all bulletproofed as well. This was either a jail truck or a banker truck or something along those lines. I think it was probably a banker truck, to be honest. There's a few in here actually. There's one Ford Transit that went up in smoke, and there's another one of these Mercedes Sprinter or Dodge Sprinter over at the other end of the yard. Still slides very smooth. This thing actually aged very gracefully. It held up to a lot. There's a bit of rust here and there, but it's not overly bad. Broken tail light. CRD, which means diesel Sprinter. Not bad. It's held up very good to the test of time, though. Heavy doors, though. Of course, they have like 3/8 inch plate steel on them. And I think this may be why it came off the road. It looks like it got into a fight with something and, well, it lost. There's dents all down this side of the van. But yeah. Anyways. There's a front, a bit of rust on the roof, but nothing much. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day everyone.